Check your transit visa before you even join the immigration queue because not every passport qualifies for Korea's 72-hour visa-free policy. If your nationality requires a transit visa, visit the round-the-clock information desk in either terminal to confirm before proceeding. You can apply online through Hi Korea well ahead of time. If you need those documents, also double-check that your next flight departs from the same terminal. To avoid an unnecessary trek across airport grounds, transferring between Terminal 1 and Terminal 2 takes about 18 minutes on the free interterminal train. That shuttle runs every 5 to 8 minutes. So factor it in when planning your connection. Knowing these details ahead of time keeps your layover smooth. Rather than a stressful race against the clock, match your plan to how long you actually have before boarding. And add a 30-minute buffer if it is your first time. If your window is short, stick inside for free cultural programs at the airport or relax in an on-site spa instead of rushing. For a half-day trip to Seoul, take the AREX direct train straight into the heart of the city. Alternatively, head to Chinatown on Line 1 and alight at Incheon Station. It is the oldest Chinese quarter in Korea and perfect for Jjajangmyeon. Hongdae is also great for street food and indie shops. If you stop at Hongik University on your way back, for a deeper dive, visit Bukchon Hanok Village or climb up to Namsan Tower before heading home. The AREX train connects both airport terminals directly to Seoul Station, and it is a reliable transit option. You have two choices: a fast direct service which requires a reserved ticket at any AREX counter or kiosk before boarding. Your T-Money card works on the all-stop version. So just tap in at an AREX gate for those shorter layovers heading toward Hongik University or Gongdaeok. If you're starting at Terminal 1, you'll reach Seoul Station a few minutes faster. The direct train picks up T1 passengers before continuing to T2. Riding from T1 is about 5 minutes faster than from T2, since it makes fewer stops along the way. If your layover is long enough to need rest, transit hotels near Terminal 1 and 2 let you sleep without clearing customs. Search hotel booking apps for options in Jeonggu to find the most convenient airport access. Nothing ruins a trip faster than missing your flight while chasing one last cafe around Seoul. Let me show you how to build an ironclad return schedule, so that never happens. Work backward from your departure time and subtract international check-in plus the security buffer first. Then carve out 43 minutes for the AREX direct train plus platform transition, which is your latest possible Seoul Station departure. Add a 15-minute walking cushion on top of all those numbers, just to be safe. For an 1800 flight, you must reach the airport by 1500 and catch the 1400 AREX train. That means leaving your hotel or meeting spot no later than 13,045 at the absolute latest, giving you a solid city window ending then. If you still have bags to check, add another 30 minutes, otherwise online check-in makes the 2.5-hour buffer doable, but 3 hours is safer. If you have a short layover at Incheon and can't leave transit, don't panic because the airport is designed for exactly that. You can wander through the Korean Cultural Street in Terminal 1 to see traditional performances and K-drama backdrops. Both terminals also rotate contemporary art exhibitions every few months if you want some visual inspiration while walking between gates. Even short layovers offer free craft workshops like calligraphy and pottery. Though you should check the airport app for the daily schedule. There's a full gaming zone with consoles and headphones on level 3 of Terminal 1 during off-peak hours. If you need to crash properly, sleep pods are available starting at around 15,000 won per hour near the knock zones. For an even quieter experience, the Transit Hotel in Terminal 1 offers private rooms from 40,000 for 4 hours. Skip the airport money booths. If you're heading into the city, wait to exchange your cash at a Myeongdong counter for much better rates. Grab your T-Money card from GS25 or CU inside arrivals for just 3,000 won and load up to 30,000. Use it on the metro, buses, and even for convenience store snacks throughout your trip. If you need a data SIM at B1 pickup kiosks, order online ahead of time to save money. Toss your bags in a coin locker before heading out. Dragging them onto the AREX is no fun. Stick to local food options like bibimbap or kimbap rather than paying airport premiums on international fast food. Some airlines even let you check baggage at COAX instead of waiting in long lines at Incheon.